S.A.D.T. Gupta Yogic Hospital. Along with the spiritual and physical culture, a number of patients suffering from various diseases started coming to Kaivalya Dham. For them, the S.A.D.T. Gupta Yogic Hospital was created in 1961. This was the first ever hospital in India devoted exclusively for the treatment of chronic functional disorders through yoga.
In 1955, I had a very severe attack of asthma in Bombay, and I went to see all the leading doctors. They were saying that you cannot get cured from this disease, this will be lifelong. Fortunately, somebody told me that why don't you try Kaivalya Dham? I came to Kaivalya Dham at Marine Drive and met Dr. Patel there. He looked at me. He said, you want to get cured? I said, yes. Then will you do whatever I tell you to do? I said, certainly. I will do whatever you tell me to do. He took down my history and then he told me, yes, we can start the treatment. You come from tomorrow. And by the grace of God, I started improving, and slowly I got well. Then there was at that time Bhushanji, who was in charge of Kaivalya Dham, Bombay. He took me there to Swami Kovalyanand, and I told him that I feel that your institution is doing humanitarian work, is curing people, and I am very much impressed, and I would like to do something for this institution. Then one day he called me and said, Gupta ji, आप लोनावला में हॉस्पिटल बना सकेंगे? मैंने कहा, स्वामी जी, आपको तो मैंने कहा था कि मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, तो आपकी कृपा से बनाएंगे. In due course of time, the hospital was built, and with great pomp and show, the opening was done. People started coming, and because of the staff and the doctors, they were all devoted and loving. Even Tiwari ji at that time used to treat people. Yoga is not exercises alone. Yoga can take you right up to God. Yoga is such a powerful thing that if you want to be one with God, it is possible, because yoga itself means union with God.
Person who comes for the weekly course in this hospital visits to doctor or medical officer. After examination of the patient thoroughly, then only we can decide which kind of yoga practice will be helpful for him or her. Twice a day yoga practice will be there, and twice a day naturopathy treatment will be there according to the recommendation by the doctor. After completing yoga practice, from Monday only we are starting nature cure treatments for that patient.
तो जैसे हमारी यहाँ थेरेपियाँ हैं, मसाज थेरेपी है, तो मसाज जो है आयुर्वेदिक पद्धति से देते हैं, एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट से देते हैं. डिपेंड करता है पेशेंट के ऊपर, उसकी एज के ऊपर, उसकी कैपेसिटी के ऊपर और उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स के ऊपर. मसाज के बाद बाष्प स्नान लेना अति उत्तम माना गया है. मड थेरेपी, ये मिट्टी जो है वो शुद्ध मिट्टी होती है, सबसे ही आसान तरीका और लाभकारी और गुणकारी है. ये मिट्टी हर प्रकार की हीट को जो है या दूषित पदार्थों को वो घोल करके बाहर निकालता है. पाइन बात है, मेरुदंड स्नान है, तो मेरुदंड जो है अपने रीढ़ की हड्डी के कड़ापन को दूर करता है। पति स्नान जो है ये एक विशेष आकार का टब होता है। इसमें पानी जो है नाभि तक भर दिया जाता है और उसमें पेशेंट को बैठना होता है, पांव बाहर रहते हैं, सिर पे गीला कपड़ा रख दिया जाता है। हर एक ट्रीटमेंट जो है वो पेशेंट की एज, उसकी प्रकृति, उसकी प्रॉब्लम को अनुसार दिया जाता है। इसकी अवधि 10 से 15, 2 से 5, 5 से 7 मिनट तक होती है। जनरली हम यहाँ पर योगी की ही फूड देते हैं, विदाउट ऑनियन, विदाउट गार्लिक। फिर भी किसी की प्रॉब्लम के हिसाब से अगर उसकी डाइट में कोई चेंज करना है, परिवर्तन करना है, तो यहाँ से डाइट लिख के जाती है और वही उनको अपने भोजनालय में उपलब्ध हो जाती है।
As far as the healthcare center is concerned, we would extend our activities to executive trainings and most importantly affiliate with all the major hospitals throughout India and abroad to offer complementary and alternative yoga therapy in the hospitals.